Indue is a premium manufacturer and installer of industrial coatings. We work with over 95% of the top 25 food and beverage manufacturers all over the country. In this video, we highlight a recent project at a plant in Minnesota. The first step to any job is a site walkthrough. During this time, we are able to create an accurate bid and plan for the project. Since all of our materials are made in-house, we have a fleet of semis that delivers everything to the job site. Once on site, the semi parks at the dock door so that everything can be unloaded for the project. When the crew arrives, they are required to sign in and fill out any information requested by the plant. A mixer room is also set up for the duration of the project. This image shows the system we installed. After removing the dairy brick and bad substrate, we installed our Indu-CreteTM MTS2 system. Here is a side-by-side comparison of the systems. When our crew arrived on site, they started by jackhammering to remove the brick papers from the existing substrate. At many job sites, the machinery remains in place, so bricks have to be removed by hand as well. Once the brick is removed, all of the debris is hauled out. The crew carries buckets and boxes of debris and fills multiple dumpsters outside the plant. At the end of the project, they will take all of the removed brick off-site. Then, the floor is mechanically prepped to open up the floors of the concrete in order for the new coating to be accepted. This is done with walk-behind grinders and handheld grinders. In preparation for the Indue TF install, the area is mapped out with lasers to determine elevation and slope. Next, the TF is poured and hand-troweled onto the existing concrete. Then, screed bars are utilized to properly install the TF to the desired slope for consistent drainage. The wall coating is next. First, Indue Wall Cove primer is applied by rolling on the wall. Then, our Indue vertical wall cove is hand-troweled up the wall. Then, MT is hand-troweled onto the sloped and prepped substrate. Indu-Crete MT is the backbone product of our industrial flooring systems. It is a self-priming urethane cement that is trowel applied at 1/4 to 3/8 inch thickness, far more robust than most traditional coating systems. Designed specifically to provide long service life in harsh conditions, MT sets the standard with regards to its ability to withstand thermal shock, impacts, abrasion, and chemical attack. Here are the buckets of treated quartz. This sand is broadcast to excess into the coating, creating a uniform non-slip texture. After the MT is cured, the team swept off any excess sand remaining on the coating. At this point, we will cut out control joints that were previously marked and honor existing saw cuts to allow the movement of the concrete to come up through the slab. Once we have opened up the control joints, we will install a 2-component polyurethane joint filler. During this time, the vertical and 45-degree angle wall cove material will be applied. Finally, our industrial strength urethane top coat is applied. The floor will then be ready for normal operations and foot traffic in 24 to 48 hours. And here is our final product. If you want to learn more about Indue, click on one of these videos, or give us a call at 800-577-6213 and check out our website at indue.com.